Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the default Safari favorites folder on the iPhone 14 series. Now when you save a web page to the favorite folder, you can see if I add it to favorites and tap on save. Now if I reopen it, it will open in this particular folder. So if I tap on bookmarks and then tap on shopping, and then all my favorites are now saved to shopping, which is in the incorrect folder. So what you want to do is to go back to the home screen and go into settings. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Safari. Then we go down and tap on favorites. Now to change the default favorites folder, I'm going to tap on favorites at the top here and then tap on back. Now if I go back to my web page and say I want to now add a page to my favorites, then I tap on add to favorites and then I tap on saved. This time it will save to my favorites folder. So if I go all the way back to my favorites in here, it is now not in shoppings anymore but in favorites, and this is the correct location where it should save my links to when I choose save to favorites. And that's it. So that is how you can set or change the default Safari favorites folder on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.